Kershaw Knife. I'm going to sharpen it at the Cadillac, Michigan Gun Show. Squeeze your blades in there nice and tight, draw through. Our rods are made to squeeze back so they pick up, follows the original edge, puts the original bevel back in any style blade. As you get sharp, bring the back of the knife up higher, and then lighten up on them. Don't take you long, get that original edge back in your knife. Use your leather bout when you're done, the rough side, that'll take you a little sharper again. That polishes your edge, and that's what makes them get in the arm shaving sharp. See that? Arm shaving sharp. Lock Sharpener, we will sharpen your blade.
So, how does that work with half serrated? Same way?
Yeah, if they're half serrated, you'll just stand it up and saw in the middle.
In the middle.
Yeah,
And the colors
then you'll
don't
put them
make
on
any
there.
difference?
No, it's all color preference, whatever colors you like. I got them today, 20 each.
Buy one.
All right, oil the rods, any kind of oil works. Gun oil is what I like.
All right.
Thank you, appreciate it.